Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi 9A, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and right now you have to go for the search pool and type here CLONEit. We have to get this application to transfer data. It's really easy to use and we don't have to pay for it, so it's really worth to get it. And of course on the second smartphone we have to do the same, and here I got this application. Click open on your Xiaomi, click allow. Well, let me just check the brightness. Of course it's set up as auto as a maximum, and click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On your Xiaomi you have to click receiver and accept all of the permission, click search again and tap on this icon. And currently we can connect in two ways. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually, so we have to pick our way. I'm going to scan the code. Click OK on this Android smartphone, and right now if you want to send everything you have to select all of these icons like that and then just tap start. If you want to get only photos, click on the photo and then tap start. Here we got the size of the selected files and also the estimated time, but in my case it's only example, so I'm going for the details, and I think that I'm going to show you how to send only 2 songs. So click start, OK. As you can see it's finished. So right now we can just click finish here also and go for the manager to check if the songs are here already. So go for the music probably, and yes, here we get the songs that we sent from our Android phone. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!